it's Gina with WTI. Before I started a low-carb diet, I could sit down and eat an entire bag of chips all by myself. They are my absolute favorite. So that was something that I really missed. But thankfully, I don't have to anymore because of these Southern recipe pork rinds. They absolutely satisfy every need that I have for that delightful crunch, but also they are bursting with flavor. I am a huge fan of dill pickles, and their spicy dill pork rinds are to die for. I also really love barbecue chips and kimchi, and what do you know? They have that combined into one recipe, and let me tell you, they are so scrumptious, you won't be able just to eat one bag. I love spreading cheese on or eating slices of cheese in kind of like a charcuterie situation with the sea salt and cracked black pepper rinds. There are so many uses for these. You can obviously just snack one after another straight from the bag, or you can use them in recipes. I use them as croutons in my salad. I use them on the side of my hamburger. If you've eaten pork rinds in the past, then you know that they are not all created equal. These are puffed to perfection, and they are so good, so yummy. Again, you're just never gonna wanna stop eating them. I'm beyond pleased with these Southern recipe pork rinds. They're definitely a staple in my home now, and that's my point of view.